back to my channel. It's your girl Evensyaxo coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this Naruto sexy jutsu makeup tutorial. So if you guys would like to see how I made this transformation come true and happen, just keep watching. Okay, so first off, to turn and transform into her, I already did my eyebrows off camera, but I'm going to clean them up because they are a bit like a lot. So let's do that. Looks as even as it's gonna get. My brows are super they're cousins, they're not siblings. So now we're gonna move on to foundation base and all that stuff, and I'm going to prep and prime with my Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. Something similar to this that is more affordable is the Wet n Wild primer in the black container. Today I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is the hydrating one, so it's not like super matte, which is nice because we want a nice glowy skin. This one's in the color 410. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one is in the color Chestnut. I freaking love this. I can't find a dupe for this anywhere. Like, I feel like you guys should definitely spend your coins on this concealer, if anything, because the coverage is crazy. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and take the darkest color in there because that's the only one that's going to really contour me, like cut me up. Then of course, taking a nice fluffy brush. This one's from Milk. I really like it. It's nice, bouncy. It's not too hard, not too stiff. And I feel like the angle is perfect for doing like contouring, blending out contour. And I always blend up, I never blend down. Now I'm going to take this Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's very, very fine powder. I would say if you have the money, go ahead and splurge on this because this is another level. And before dusting off any excess, I'm going to go in and set my contour with powder, and I'm going to use my Black Radiance palette, and I'm going to take the darkest shade mixed with the middle shade. Now I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and fluff it all out. See, this is our base. This is what we're going to be working with for the next step. Now I'm going to take a mixture of this blush right here. I believe it's from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to mix this with a nice peachy tone blush, Anastasia Beverly Hills kit. I'm going to mix the two and create a nice peachy pink blush. Alright, so going in with some highlight from Fenty Beauty. You know what? I'm going to do an extreme cat eye because she's going to be super sexy. Keep my eyes open and look right into a mirror. I'm going all the way up here. I'm going to be taking this black, well, it's almost black, it's like black brown pencil for my waterline on the bottom, just for the outer corner. Alright, so I added lashes on the top and a little individual lash on the bottom to really give myself that really nice cat eye look. It's coming out really sexy. At least my eyes are. So for the rest, for my lips, I'm going to keep it plain because why not? I'm going to use a brown lip liner. I'm going to go in with Rose Femme from Milani. Now to create the lines, I'm just going to do 3 over here, 3 over there with a regular liner. Alright, so now for the outfit, all I did was take some stuffing out of an old pillow and wrapped it around a strapless bra to give me the top portion. But yeah, this is pretty much it for my sexy jutsu makeup look, makeup tutorial in general. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also make sure that subscribe button's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join a little familiar, get a little familiar with me, and yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.